I love walking outside. And as long as it's warm enough, I'm gonna be out here through the fall. And on the winter days when it decides it wants to warm up enough, because I don't know what it is. I truly don't know what it is. For me, being outside with the fresh air, with the animals, with the sounds, with the greenery, with the changing of the colors, like just leave me out here. Don't even worry about me. Don't come looking for me. I don't know when I'm coming back, okay? But if you want to find me, you're gonna have to catch me literally outside, okay?